will be testing the testable question, does the height of a ramp affect the speed at which a ball will travel? My testable question, the variable that I will measure is the speed. I will use a stopwatch to measure how long it takes the ball to reach a mark. The variable that I will change is the height of the ramp. I will use these binders each time to change how high my ramp is. The variables that I will keep the same are the ball. I will use the same ball each time. I will also use the same tool to use as my ramp. And I will roll the ball with the same amount of force on the same surface. Now we're ready to conduct our investigation. We're going to start off by using one binder. We're going to roll the ball until it reaches that mark. That mark is about 1 yard, 36 inches, 3 feet away. Get my timer ready. Trial number 1. I'm waiting until the ball comes to a complete stop. That one stopped at 3.87 seconds. Trial number 2. That one almost reached the mark, 4.61 seconds. Trial number 3, last trial on a ramp of 1 binder high. That one did not quite reach the mark, stopped at 4.08 seconds. Now I'm going to add another binder. Trial number 1. That one stopped at 2.89 seconds. Trial number 2. That one stopped at 2.28 seconds. I have things falling out of my house. Trial number 3. .40 seconds. Now we're going to add another binder. Good scientists are already noticing trends and patterns. Every time I change the height of the ball, have you noticed something happening with the speed? So then you should be able to make a prediction on this last one. Trial number 1. 1.79 seconds. Trial number 2. 1.66 seconds. And our last and final trial. .87 seconds. Now we're ready to record our data on our chart and draw a conclusion. Based on my data from my investigation, my hypothesis is supported. Each time I changed the height of the ramp, the ball did go faster. This is probably because of the slope of the ramp. Every time the slope is changed, it makes the angle at which the ramp is towards the ground larger and larger. This will cause my ball to move faster.